What's up, nail fiends? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the next installment of my 12 Days of Christmas series. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be sharing with you guys what I got in the Black Friday sales. So this is specifically what I picked up from Glitter Planet UK. I went a little bit crazy because they had some amazing offers on. So I wanted to share with you guys two of the mystery boxes I got. So if you guys would like to see everything I got, then just keep on watching. So guys, I'm going to just jump right in and share with you exactly what I got, and I'm going to begin first with the Mega Mystery Box. So this one was basically a mix box and you got different things like tools, nail art products and all of that stuff. It retailed for £50 and you basically got £75 worth of products in the box. So again, you were saving 25 quid on a vast amount of different products. So I thought that was a pretty awesome deal. So I'll dive in and just share with you guys exactly what I got. And the first thing was this small silicone snowflake mould. So you could use this with acrylic, or I have seen people use it with gel polish and stuff like that as well. And it basically gives you little 3D snowflakes. I thought it was absolutely adorable and went greatly with the big one that I got. And then I also got some of these nail practice tips or swatch sticks or whatever you want to call them. These are just clear ones. They're in the regular shape. Then the next thing I got was a bottle of this cuticle oil. So this is their lemongrass scented one. And at first I was kind of like, I'm not sure I'm going to like that, but it actually smells so freaking beautiful. I was really pleased with it. Then I also got some of these tweezers. These are in the sort of like a rainbow plasma type colour. Again, it goes with all of my nail tools, so I was really pleased to have these as well. Then the next thing I got was this absolutely gorgeous glitter sort of dusting brush. This is freaking stunning, and what I really liked about it as well is it had that sort of little guard on it, which means that when I wash it and stuff like that, I could go ahead and just pop that guard on while it dries so it doesn't lose its shape. I absolutely adore that. Then I also got some of this foil purple pigment. This is basically, I'm assuming it's like a chrome pigment or something like that, but I got two of these and I first got it in this absolutely gorgeous purple shade. It is really, really beautiful. And then I also got a blue one, which is called Foil Blue. Again, I think they're from the same sort of range. I have only tried a couple of the Glitter Planet UK's foils and I really do like them. I've got a couple of their powders. They are really beautiful, so I was so pleased to have these. Then I also got a couple of these other kinds of nail foils. These are in gold and silver. Again, I go through an absolute crap ton of these. I love adding these to all of my different nail designs. And again, even with gold and silver, you can make them different each time with whatever you put underneath them, and they're also great for adding to marbles and just random nail art. So yeah, totally pleased to have these as well. Next up, I got this cuticle pusher. So this is the spoon style shaped one. I absolutely love this. I've actually had my eye on the whole sort of nail manicure range for a while, so I'm over the moon with this one. Then the next thing I got was this pink lemonade micro shards. I freaking adore these guys. I have a few of these already in my collection, and if you haven't got them, you need them in your life. They are so bloody beautiful in all different shades. Then the next thing I got was a trial pack of these Galactic Pro nail forms. I absolutely love the look of these. I've had my eye on them for ages simply because they are such a fantastic colour before anything else. So I'm so pleased to have them. And then the last few bits I got in the Mega Mystery Box were some glitters. So first up, I got this neon iridescent one. I then got Sunset Star, which is a beautiful purple holographic glitter with different shapes in it. Then the next one we have is holographic hearts, which are obviously larger sequence pieces, which I think are going to look beautiful encapsulated on the nail. Then we have holographic purple shards, another favourite of mine. I absolutely adore these ones. Then we have innocent, which is more of a finer mix, but it also has a really beautiful sort of shift to that glitter as well. And then the last one we have is called Sweet Cheeks, which is another more chunkier mix, this time in a beautiful rose gold colour. So moving on guys, and the next bundle that I have to share with you is the Acrylic Overload bundle. So you paid £85 for this bundle, but you got well over £110 worth of products. So in this you got 3 of their large core powders, 10 of their colours, and also some other bits and bobs as well. So I'll dive in and show you everything that I got. And guys, just look at how beautiful that packaging is. I must admit that I absolutely adore when I get a nail mail day from Glitter Planet UK, simply because the packaging is freaking awesome on its own. But anyway, jumping into what I actually got in this mystery box. So as you can see, I got first another trial set of these nail forms. This time I'm not too sure what these ones are actually called. And then I also got a set of their infinity forms. So I basically have one of each of their sets to try, which I'm absolutely over the moon for. So moving on to the actual acrylics that I got in this mystery bundle, and first up I got one of their core powders. This one is called Perfect Pink. And also, as you can see guys, these are their full-sized pots, which are absolutely amazing. These will last me forever, so I was so pleased with the quality and the quantity that you got in this mystery box. So yeah, moving on, and the next one I got is called Warm Beige. I absolutely adore this one. I actually got it in a trial kit when I first tried the Nailmate system, and it is such a beautiful colour. And then the last core powder that I got is called Nude Attitude. And then moving on to the elite coloured powders that I got. So the first one I got was called Get Paid, which is a really beautiful green colour. And then the next one we have is called Surf. This one is absolutely freaking beautiful, guys, and probably one of my favourites out of this whole sort of like bundle. I do have a few of these, so some of these are duplicates. I'm not going to say which ones because I am going to be putting them away for a future giveaway, and I don't want to give you guys too much of the prizes away. But yeah, I love this one. So next we have Dreamy, which is a really beautiful pink shade. Then the next one we have is Red Velvet, and you guys have already saw me use this one because I will be uploading this video after I've did the sort of peppermint swirl nails. This one is freaking pigmented, guys. I'm not even kidding. It is such a vibrant coloured red. I absolutely adore it. Then next up we have this one from their autumn collection. This one is called Pumpkin Pie, and this one is a really vibrant orange shade with a sort of like a subtle hint of glitter in there as well. So moving on, guys, and the next one that I got is called Hot Topic, and this one is another absolutely gorgeous colour. This one is sort of like a raspberry sort of colour, definitely more of a fruity pink colour, and it's got again another sort of like subtle sparkle to it as well with hints of glitter in there. It is freaking gorgeous. And then next up we have one from their Circus collection, and this one is called Contortionist, and guys, this is just freaking gorgeous. I am probably going to be like a broken record, but just wait till you see this. It is such a beautiful sort of like goldy greeny glitter bomb. I cannot wait to give this one a go. Then next up we have Custard Pie, and if you guys know me, you know that I love my mustard yellows, so this one is absolutely up my street. Another one that I would definitely say is a firm favourite out of all of these colours that I got. Then the next one I got is another sort of yellow shade, this time from their autumn collection again. So this one is called Rainmark and is such a vibrant yellow. Again, this one has little bits of glitter in there as well, so you get that 2-for-1 sort of feel with this. I absolutely adore it. Such a beautiful colour, perfect for all seasons long. I really do love this. Then the last and final powder that I got is called Neon Yellow, which I am over the freaking moon to have because yellow is definitely one of my favourite colours. So this whole mystery box was right up my street. I was over the moon to have this. And with that, guys, that is us reached the end of today's video, and I really hope you enjoyed having a little nosy at everything that I got in the mystery boxes during my splurge of Black Friday. A lot of these were bought from my Christmas money, and I was so pleased with everything I got. I'm usually a little bit dubious to get mystery boxes, but I was absolutely ecstatic with every single item. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed having a little nosy at everything I got, and if you guys got anything good and juicy during the Black Friday sales, remember to let me know, because I always love knowing what you guys have got and any new nail art goodies on the horizon. So with that said, guys, if you did enjoy today's video, please give me a thumbs up. I would totally appreciate it. And if you're new to my channel and you haven't already, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that notifications bell to be updated anytime I upload a new video. And if you wouldn't mind, don't forget to give this video a little like and a share. It helps me greatly with my channel, and you guys know I always appreciate your support. So thank you for joining me today, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.